to such an extent that there's actually a warning of severe weather issued by the Met Office, which is valid until about 8 o'clock this evening for heavy rain in these two counties. It will then become weaker, and I suspect that from late afternoon onwards, sporadic rain will be noticed in South Wales and southern counties of England, on its way up tonight towards Northern Ireland. But apart from that, things change very little. Fog reappears tonight and could be a persistent problem tomorrow morning. There is no frost available. It's double figures for most of us, and yes, it is October, a reminder. So on Monday, the pattern remains very similar. You don't notice much change, despite the fact we're running through about 12 hours worth of pressure pattern there. So the fog then, the starting problem, sporadic rain and a fairly cloudy day, because of course that rain belts move slowly northwards. And then maybe more signs of rain to come, but not during Monday. Another day of double figures, mid to high teens, just cloudier than today. How about Tuesday? Would you expect much change? You'd be right. In fact, there is something developing out in the Atlantic, heading for us for Wednesday. The consequence ahead of that is a slight increase in the breeze, maybe still from the southeast, and that's more or less the prevalent direction this week, which keeps temperatures similar. It also brings in a lot of cloud to the east coast, which I've already commented upon. So Tuesday again is fairly cloudy, a bit of sunshine maybe, and maybe a bit more relief into the sunshine for Yorkshire. And by the end of the day, rain for Cornwall and Wales and coming up across Ireland. But it's midweek where the change really happens. This time a low does develop. That means rain for all of us, not especially strong winds necessarily, but the rain is fairly slow moving, so for a time will be persistent and doesn't go from us until beyond Thursday. So that's a Wednesday, Thursday wet spell. Right off Wednesday, go inside, don't bother to go outside. Temperatures don't change, whatever else happens you'll notice. But the rain concentrates, I think, in Scotland for late Wednesday and early Thursday, and wraps around back through Ireland, shoving more back through Wales and central England. So there'll be some areas that escape with dry weather. But by the end of the week, another dramatic change seems quite likely. The lows have gone away, and if you follow the isobars, it's a northerly wind. Now that may penetrate as far south as Birmingham for the start of next weekend, so proper autumnal weather could well be on the way, but not until the very end of this coming week.